Sometimes people will look at this gendered language in the Bible, and sometimes people will wonder, well, why does it say sons and not sons and daughters, or just children of God? And there's actually a very important reason. Now, when the Bible calls us the sons of God, it doesn't mean male children of God. It doesn't even mean male and female children of God. When the Bible calls us God's sons, it is specifically using this term in the way that it's understood in the first century AD. It is saying we're not just children, but we are heirs. And so that's why the Bible uses the term sons, referring to both male Christians and female Christians, because regardless of your gender, if you're in God's family, you are a son in the sense that you are an heir to all of the blessings that God has prepared for you.